Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download Facebook on Android in 2026. The first thing that you must ensure is that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, it'll show up here. If you're connected to a mobile data network, then it'll show 4G or 5G right next to your SIM tower. The other thing that you can do is head over to settings, scroll down, hit about phone, hit software information, and make sure that your Android version is at least Android 8.0 or above. This phone's Android version is Android 16, so we're good to go. Now we're going to be heading over to the app drawer, and then in the search bar we're going to be typing in Play Store. Tap on Play Store and head over to Play Store search. In the search bar you can type in Facebook and then hit install right next to Facebook. Do ensure that you're logged into your Google account on your Play Store before trying to download any apps. If Facebook is installed, you can simply log into Facebook and start scrolling. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.